Welcome to JH. Woolsocks claims to be a smart financial tool for cashback and spending insights, because apparently, we all need an app to remind us that we spend way too much on things we don't need. But is this platform a legitimate savior for your wallet or just another cashback gimmick designed to clutter your home screen? Let's find out if it's worth the storage space. First, let's look at the positives. The app is sitting on the Play Store with over 1 million downloads and boasts an impressive 4.6-star rating on the App Store. Either a lot of people genuinely love this app, or they've mastered the art of convincing users to leave 5 stars. They also maintain a very active presence on Facebook and Instagram, regularly engaging with their community. It's a nice change of pace to see a company that doesn't treat its social media page like a deserted ghost town. Transparency seems to be their thing, as the platform provides clear, step-by-step instructions on how to actually earn and redeem your rewards. They've even gone as far as listing a physical address, an email, and a contact number. In an era where most apps hide behind a broken chatbot, having an actual phone number you can call to complain is a luxury. It definitely makes the platform feel more like a real business and less like a digital disappearing act. However, no app is perfect, and the user reviews reveal some classic tech glitch drama. While many users love the savings, others have pointed out that the automatic rewards feature is about as automatic as a manual transmission, often requiring a chat with support to get paid. There are also reports of gift cards that strangely have to be used by someone else, which is a fantastic feature if you enjoy doing charity work for strangers with your own rewards. So is Woolsocks legit? Based on the massive user base, high ratings, and transparent contact info, the answer is yes. It's a credible platform, even if it has a few annoying bugs that the developers really should have fixed by now. It's a trustworthy tool for your financial arsenal. Just make sure you double-check your transactions to ensure the app is actually doing its job. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more reviews where we do the digging so you don't have to.